Dad, what's this?
My Standard Life pension.
Are they good then?
Standard Life? Yeah.
How do you know?
A survey showed that more independent financial advisors chose them for their own pensions or life assurance than any other company.
So?
If they think something's right, you don't argue with them.
Dad, is Mum an independent financial advisor?
If you're not registered to vote, you can't have a say. Your council has sent you a form. Make sure you return it.
Anyone who ignores a McDonald's extra value meal for a mere £2.88 obviously has something far more pressing to do.
Are you lost in the computer jungle? Baffled by the internet? Confused by ever-changing prices? Then get things clear with Computer Active. Written in plain English, every fortnight it's packed with step-by-step workshops, clever hints and tips, features and essential product reviews. In this issue, best value PCs and digital cameras, and finding good uses for the internet. Get out of the computer jungle and get your Computer Active with Computer Active. Try it today for just 50p.
Umbiko wokufika kwentokozo enkulu elandelwa iziziswa sivele swelo baba baba wami baba wami besho lakho simemeze ngaswelinye ifikile inkosi yamakhosi yidle naso sonke silandele khona sizophumele.
One day, fighting the appearance of wrinkles is not enough. You want firmer feeling skin too. New Plenitude Revitalift from L'Oreal now has a double concentration of pro-retinol A. Revitalift reduces the appearance of wrinkles.
My skin is smoother.
Revitalift makes your skin feel firmer, with a real lift effect. Plenitude Revitalift with double concentration pro-retinol A from L'Oreal, because you're worth it.
We all rely on the police. Like them, the AA responds to emergency calls as quickly as possible. The latest figures show AA patrols are now reaching members in an average of 35 minutes. Join now. Call 0800 444 999.